Gabby, 6 months old. Hey, Gabby. Yeah, you're 6 months now? Look at how big Gabby is now. Look at how big she is. She's a big girl. Look at all the things she can do.
You gonna read it to us?
I'm gonna eat it.
What does it say, Gabby? What does it say? Can you read it? Yes. Ba, 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 ba.
Reading it backwards too.
Pretty impressive, kiddo. Come on. Can I see? No way. That's yours. I take it. Thank you.
Hey, Goofy.